Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing Worldle. Worldle is a geographical based game where you need to guess the country. So, I will use the easy one. This is United States. Yay, I got it. Now, you need to guess the neighbors. The neighbors of United States are Canada, we have Mexico, we have Cuba, and also we have the Bahamas. So now let's guess this capital city. Capital city, I feel it is Washington DC. Now we should need to guess the flag. I feel the flag of United States is this one. Yay! Then the estimated population. It's not over a billion. I think it's this one. Yeah. The currency of United States, I think it's $1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.